experiment? It's a balloon, baking soda, vinegar, and empty bottle. First, we have to put the baking soda in the balloon. We have filled the balloon with the baking soda. Here is the balloon with the baking soda inside. Now we have to add vinegar to this empty bottle. Now we have to put the balloon on the top of the mouth of the bottle with vinegar. We have put the balloon on top of the bottle like this. Friends, do you remember that we put the baking soda in the balloon? Now we are going to put the baking soda inside the vinegar. Whoa! Mommy! It's really working for real life. It was bubbling. Mommy, look! It moved sideways. Wait. Look at the vinegar with baking soda. And look at the balloon. Oh, hear the sound. Hey, it's a puffin sound. Isn't it interesting? So the magic is vinegar. We've acted with baking soda, making it to carbon dioxide, and it's making the balloon blow. Now the balloon is filled with carbon dioxide. Friends, did you know carbon dioxide is a gas that is present in the air?